So first you got to open your DVD cover off case, alright, and then have your DVD-ROM out, okay, the one you're going to install. So this is how you do it. First you flip down your your CPU. And then you just find an empty slot, and from outside you gotta slide in your DVD. First you gotta open one of this, and then any free one, and just slide in your DVD from outside. Okay, and then you'll have it like this, and then flip it the other way. Alright, and now getting on to wiring it. Okay, now from your power adapter, the what do you call this, power supply, okay, you find many wires jutting out. From there you take any wire which has four slots like this, okay, and then you fix it. Oh, before that you should tighten up your before that you gotta tighten up your inserted DVD. Okay, can I have the screwdriver please? Yes, thank you. Alright, so then after tightening it, you tighten it firmly for safety, for it not to slide off. Okay, so now it's all tightened up here. Okay, so what you do is take a wire from the power supply, anything which has a 4-port, a 4-hole, this power wire. Alright, and then okay, so the top one is mine. The top one is what I've inserted now. Okay. And then what you do, take it, okay, so take one and then insert it into this. Okay, that's it. And now you find many of these cables. Okay, here's something like this. They're like very huge. They are connected to your motherboard. It's like to configure it as a DVD-ROM and to use it. So now this wire we had put it for the power, and this wire for it to work as a DVD-ROM. So this also should be inserted. So what you do, just find an empty slot, not empty, there should be a slot, and just slide in it. Okay, it's so simple, that's it. Slide it in, and then now fix off on your Now fix on your cover case. And then tighten it using the screws, the nails. Alright, so this is how you insert your DVD-ROM. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video.